Alright guys, welcome to my channel today, and in this video I'll be showing you step by step on how to create startup app, right, where you can be able to use it to earn money from startup. You can as well also use it to earn money from Admob, but on this video specifically I'll be teaching you how to create a startup app and how to be able to monetize the app step by step, right? So what I want you to do for me, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn up the bell notification icon so that each time I upload a new video you'll be the first person to see it and be the first person to take action and get the first result, right? Now in this particular video, like I said before, I'll be teaching how to create a startup app without coding experience, without having any knowledge about coding, without being hacked with anything coding, right? So now the first step of creating this, guys, is to go to a website called appcreators24.com. I'll be dropping the link. The first link on the description box below is the link that will take you to the website straight. So now once you click on the website, you'll be able to sign up with your name, your username, your name, your email address, your password, and some crucial information, right? Now once you have done that, then it will take you to this interface. Now once you have done that, it will take you to this interface, right? Now this interface, if you're new, you'll be seeing create app, right? If you're new, you'll be seeing create app, but since I'm not new, I've created some other apps also, but if you're new, you'll be seeing create app. So now you click on the create app, right? So guys, just follow me step by step. Like I told you, this is a step-by-step guide on how to create it. I'll be showing you step by step, detailed step by step on how to create it, of which you can learn it and then you explore to doing to having other features added to your app, right? So now the first step is now we have created on create app. We have clicked on create app rather, and then the next step is to create app name. So guys, is what you need to do right now is to choose the app name you want to create. Now on this particular tutorial, we will be creating a website app, but the website app, you guys are going to see how we're going to create it so customized. There will be nothing related to rubbish app. You'll be seeing the app will be looking so beautiful, so nice, right? So now let's choose an app name. Let's say for instance we want to create a YouTube app, so let's say YouTube, right? YouTube. Now beautiful. Now they're asking for app icon. What is app icon? App icon is the photo of the app. You need to choose a photo you want to use for the app. So now you have to go to your browser. Before you do this, make sure you have all of the information available before you can start. So go to your browser and type on YouTube, right? YouTube. Then you click on YouTube. Then you go to image here. You click on image, right? Click on image, and then you can as well see different YouTube images you can choose from, you can pick from. On my case, let me go for this first one here. Let's go for this first one. Okay, let me just download it instead of I think it's downloading. Alright guys, I guess it has downloaded into my file. So let's go back to our app creators dashboard. So now let's upload the app, the photo we just downloaded. So you click on choose photo, you choose file rather, and then you go to, it will take you to your okay. Now as you can see, we click on it. Now it has been added. Now the next part is where you see option 2. This is where you can choose photo. If you don't have any photo available, you can choose from this templates here, from this photo here rather, and choose from. But since I've already gotten my photo, there's no need of picking this. Let's close it. Now let me go to app description. Now you're going to write a description about your app. What is your app about, right? I'm going to say let's just give it a random description. Shows videos, right guys? This is not the best description, but I'm just giving you an example. Shows videos, or let's just call it video house. You know, YouTube is a video warehouse, right, where you watch video. So the next step is to click on next. So guys, just follow me step by step. Click on next. Now it's for you now to choose how your interface will look like, how your app will look like. As you can see, there are different colors option you can choose from, but as well you can as well change this later. But meanwhile, just pick one. Let's just go for the one that has already been there. Click on. Now this is different options, right, where of which you can choose from depending on the kind of app you want to create. But for this tutorial, we are creating a web app, right? A web app, guys, a web app, right? So guys, you can choose from wherever any of these, right? You can choose from them and then you create your app. So let's click on web app. All right, now the title of our app as well is YouTube, right? So now we have to go to YouTube. Let's say for the YouTube website. No, okay, let's it's / okay, I think it's https semicolon then youtube.com, guys. All right, now we have filled in this with the title, which is YouTube, and then the web page, which is youtube.com. Then let's click on save. I think it's saving our app. It's creating our app rather. So let's wait for it to finish creating. I think my network is slow, that is why it's kind of like this, but it doesn't take much time. Okay, all right guys, now the next step is to click on go to app manager. You go to app manager. Beautiful. Now guys, our app have been created, right? Our app have been created successfully. The next step is to customize the app. Remember I told you you can make your app, you can create your app, and nobody will even know that you use the website app, right? So now the first step, guys, I use to customize my app is, first of all, I go to design. Guys, you can zoom your screen if you are doing it. I go to design, right? So I click on design. So now as you can see, their colors, their fonts, their charts, sounds, menu type, menu icon, top bar icon, loading image, and all that. So guys, I normally go for color. I normally choose my color of the color of my choice. Then once you arrive to this particular place here, you can you click on this style, and then you go to custom. The last one here, you go to custom, so that you can customize your color. So I think YouTube is red in color, right? Yeah, YouTube is red and white. So let's go for red. Look, okay, let's go for white, guys. I think the color is already red already. So now on this gradient, the gradient is like the down part of your app. Now if the main color of the app is blue and you put this radiant another color, you will see that the app screen will look we have two colors, right? So let's pick the same color, which is white. So it's white. So app icon color. Now the icon color is what you can see at the top of your app. So let's change the color. I think YouTube is, let's also go for white. Also YouTube has two colors, white and red. So top bar icon color, the top bar icon. Okay guys, I'm going to talk about the top bar icon color, top bar icon, so that you understand what we're talking about. Remember this top bar icon, you will see how it looks like. Okay, top bar icon, let's go for red, right? So active section. Okay, the active section, okay, let's leave it black. Inactive section, let's make it so that we're able to differentiate it. Let's make it I think YouTube is just, let's make it blue, you know. All right, so suction indicator. Okay, suction indicator, let's leave it, okay, let's leave it red and underline. All right, so guys, and then the next step is to choose other section. As you can see here, choose other section. You click on this left one, but you can as well choose whichever one you want to pick, but I choose that, right? So and then let's click on save. So now guys, you will see that this our photo. Okay, let me make it more easier for you guys. Let me make it more easier for you so that you guys will understand what we're talking about. So let me download the app first, right? Let me download the app first so that I'll be showing you how it is and what has changed and all that. So let's download the app. I just want to show you guys so that you guys will be able to see. I don't want this video to be too long, but I think it's long, but I think it's worth it, guys. It's worth it. Let me pause the video so that once you finish downloading, we can continue. Let me pause the video. Alright guys, I've downloaded the video. The video is installing. Let's install the video and then let's see how it goes, guys. It's installing. I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, let's open it. Right guys, let's open it and let's see how it looks like. Now we are going to customize every single thing here. We're going to customize every single thing here to make sure our app looks so beautiful, so awesome. So some of the apps on Play Store, they are being built with app creators, right? So you can as well. Okay, now can you see YouTube? Okay, all right guys, this is how our app looks like, right? This is how our apps look like. Now we are going to customize this. Now if I talked about the top bar icon. Okay, let me go back, guys, so that you get to understand it. Let's go to that same color, right? Now for the background, you guys saw that it was white, right? For the background, you guys saw that it was white. Now the icon color, if you go, the next one is icon color. If you go back here, you'll be able to see that the icon color here is white, right? So now let's go back again, and then the top bar icon color is red. Now guys, let me show you top bar icon color. This is the top bar icon color, right? You can see that it's red. You can actually change it if you want to. And then the active section, guys, let me show you the active section. The active section is when you click here, right? When you click there, then you can see the YouTube there. Now if you look at it there, it corresponds with what is here, guys. So can you see it? All right, so you can see that line there. That line there is the active, right? So if I click on it, you'll be able to see it is black color. So guys, let's go back. Let's go, but let's save again. All right, now beautiful. So now the next step is the font, right? You can as well choose any font you want to, but I normally leave mine as default. This chat sound is for if when you want to create a chat app, but right now we're not creating a chat app. Now let's go to the next one, menu type, right? So now guys, this is very, very important. Now if you look at this interface of this app, now you will see how the app looks like, right? So now let's go to let's choose a menu type, right? So now let's choose this, guys. Let's choose the second one, right? So let's choose this second one. Now mind you, look at how our app look like, right? It's not that beautiful enough, but let's see when we customize a little bit of it, and let's see. Okay, this for first step. So now let's choose a photo. Let's choose a photo. Let's go to that YouTube. Let's get that YouTube also. All right, so now let's save, right? Let's save. So let's remove the app and let's come back to the app again, YouTube. All right, now let's see if there's any changes in our app. Let's see if there's any changes in our app. All right, guys, can you see from this point there are changes, right? There are changes. It's not like the former one. Now let's click on that three lock icon. Can you see? This is the photo we uploaded. Now can you see what I'm telling you? The active section and the inactive section. Can you guys see it clearly? All right, so now let's go back again. Now let's go to main icon, right? So main icon here. Okay, the main icon has YouTube. The main icon is what is here. Let me show you. Is what is here. This photo here, right? This photo here is the main icon, right? So guys, let's go back again. So then the top bar icon. So guys, on this particular place here, as you can see on the top bar icon here, we have the send button and the notification button, bell, right? So now I love removing this send button because it will make people see that the app was created with app creators. Like I told you before, I said we will be making it look so professional. So now to remove this share button here, you just click on that arrow on the top. You see, you move it and then you move it also. Now let's also move this message on. Let's remove it. Right now, let's also remove this search icon. All right, now we are going to be adding this one, guys. We'll be adding this one. So you can as well add whichever one you want to add, but on the course of this video I just want to add this. Now I love using these two, right? I can as well remove this notification if you want to remove it. Now let me remove it, and so that you see how our app look like. Now we are saving, right? So all right, guys, so we are saving right now. Now let's go out of the app, and then let's enter again. And let's see how it looks like. Guys, I believe you're getting it. If you're getting value from this video, just type on the comment section below and say I am getting value, right? So now, guys, can you see what we added? All right, we've removed that send button, that share button, and the what was it called, notification button. Right now we have this exit button. If I click on this exit button, I will exit from the app. So guys, are you getting it little by little? I hope you guys are getting value from this video, right? So now let's go back again. Let's go and do some settings again. So loading image, we already have a loading image, which is this YouTube, right? We already have a loading image, so we don't need another loading image also. Except you want to do some settings, guys. You can as well set any of these to your own preference. So now background let's go to the next one, background image. Okay, you can choose a background image, but not necessarily. Background image is not that necessary, except you want to create what was it called, a shopping app where the image of the logo will be showing and other features, right? But for this video, we are not doing that right now, so you can as well do it and test it for yourself and see how good it will look. So the next is section. So the section, as you can see, the section, you can see YouTube. Let's go to our app, and then the section is this YouTube here. You can see here, this YouTube, you can see here, guys, that is the section. So you can as well add many sections, right? You can add so many sections here. You can add it as long as many as possible, guys. So let me show you how you can add this section, right? So now you can see create section. So let's create a section, right? Now web. Now let's say for instance we want to create Facebook, right, guys? Facebook, and then let's go to facebook.com, https facebook.com. Guys, this is just an example. Facebook and YouTube cannot be on the same app, right? So you can make your choice, but I'm just giving an example. So now to add an icon, to add a photo, we have to go to our browser, right? And then let's search for Facebook, guys. Let's search for Facebook. All right, now let's get a photo of Facebook to make your app look so professional, so beautiful. Oh, what am I doing? All right, so I'm on the right track. Facebook photo. Oh, photo. Let's go to Facebook photo. So guys, here we are. Am I getting it correctly? Oh boy, I'm selecting images, taking me to video. All right, so guys, this is it. So let's download this. Let's download this, guys. All right, so let's download this, guys. All right, beautiful. So it is downloaded right now. So now for you to add the photo on this particular section, you can see from the first YouTube section we created, we never had this experience. It was done because we had we were creating the first app, so it was easier. So now to add photo on this, you click on this add settings here, on that plus sign there, you click on it, more feature comes up, right? So now you can as well do these settings here to your own preference, right? So this is for the message. If your app need to be secured, you need to you put password here and all that. But guys, you can as well do that later. I'm just giving you a glue of how it works. For you to add photo, you click on, you see where they said choose photo here, you click on choose file. Now we are going to upload that Facebook file picture we got from Google. Now it has been added. Let's click on save, right? Let's click on save. Beautiful. So guys, you guys are going to see what will happen right now. Let's go to our app created, and then let's remove it, and then let's go back again, right? Let's go back again and let's see what we've added, if it's really added or it's not. Now let's click on, and to see that, you click on this part here, click on this part, right? So you click on it. Now you can see Facebook, right? You can see Facebook, right, guys? So you can, like I said before, you can add as many options as possible, right? Now this privacy section is important for uploading on Play Store. Play Store need to see that. Okay, now let's click on this privacy and see what it's telling us. Okay, now this is what Play Store recommend for every app. You need to provide a privacy link, right? Now this privacy, now it tells you that the app does not collect any information from the users, right? But that is aside. Now let's click on Facebook. I'm just telling you example of how that privacy looks like. Is very, very good for those who want to upload on Play Store, which is highly recommended. Now guys, can you see that's taking us to Facebook, right? So you can add as many links as possible, right? Add as many links as possible, guys. Add as many links as possible, right? So Now let's go to the next one, which is office, guys. Now you can choose if you have an office and you want to create an app for a particular for your particular business, you can add the office here, right? So and all that. You can also add the color here, guys. So now this conversation is very, very important for people who you want to send a pop-up message, that is for your users who you want to send a message to, for them to reply you. This is where you get their reply on this conversation, guys. I believe you're getting it. If you're getting value from this video, just type I'm getting value on this video, right? So guys, and also if you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification icon, so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to receive to watch the video and get started, right? So now the next step is the product, guys. So you can choose product, the management, category, options, and color, guys. You can do so many things with this, right? So now the best part of this is, how do you make money from your app? How do you make money from your app, guys? So now, as you can see here, you can see ads. I'm taking my time to explain so that you get to understand it, right? You can see ads. You click on ads. You click on ads, guys. So once you click on ads, now you can see different options here. You can see Admob, right? You can see AppNext. You can see Facebook. You can see StartApp. You can see Unity ads. Now, for now, StartApp app creators only uses 5 different ad network for each app, so that you monetize it from this, right? So you can see Admob, you can see AppNext, you can see Facebook, you can see StartApp, you can see what was it called, Unity ads, right? So guys, this is it. So now, for you to be able to monetize the app, you need to put your ads unit, your startup ads unit. You can use Admob also, right, guys? Like I told you before earlier this video, you can use Admob, so you can use AppNext. But for this video, I told you from the beginning, StartApp. So guys, let me go and get my startup ID. If you have not created an account with StartApp, I'll be leaving the link on the description box below, so that you go to register and then you create an account for free, totally free. So you can place it here. Meanwhile, guys, let me go get my. All right, guys. Now let me paste my startup ID here. If you have not created an account in StartApp, I'll be dropping a link on the description box below, so that you can go there and get it and register for free, and then you get started and get your app ID and place on your app here, right? So now, guys, this is it. So we've placed our app ID on the app ID section. Now, if you see ad position, you can as well choose where your banner advert will show on your app. If you want it to be bottom or want it to be at the top of your screen, right? But I choose bottom. So ad size, you can as well choose your ad size, right? Large or small. Now this one shows for people who wants to create a chat app. So interstitial, so you click, you put your app ID there, and then you can choose. If you look at here, it tells you in app interstitial frequency, so you choose how you want your app to show. If it's going to be every 2 pages where your users will go to before your ad will show, I prefer the every 2 pages. But sometimes if you're using Admob, you might not really want to make it 2 pages, because sometimes Admob does not recommend invalid clicks, right? But you can as well make it 3 or 4, depending on the one you want to go for. But for StartApp, I make it for 2. Show in chat. We're not creating a chat app. And then show in app launch. Yes, I make my app every time, right? Show every time. So guys, that is that. So our native ads, let's put our ads unit there, right? The native ad in the menu. All right, guys, and in chat, we are not having chat app. So all right guys, we are here placing it on make sure you place it correctly, guys. If you don't place it correctly, it will tell you that you everything need to be the same, right? So guys, this is very, very important for people who wants to make their what's it called, their reward advert show, right? For you to make your reward advert show, now you need to click on here. I'm going to show you guys how we're going to set it. If you just set it only like this, it's not going to work on where you want it to show, right? So you click here, right, and then you click on it, then you make it show always. What does that mean? It means that anytime anybody clicks on that particular section, your native advert will show before the person goes to the particular destination the person is going to, your user is going to, right? So you can set it depending on the one you want to go for. 7 days, 1 day, 15 days, 30 days, show always. I choose show always. So let's click on save. So guys, after here I'll be going to how you make this advert, this reward advert specifically show on the position where you want it to show, right? So guys, let's click on save. All right, beautiful. Now let's go back to how we want our native reward advert to show. And you click on section, right? You click on section, go to section. Okay, now you can make native advert what's it called, reward advert show on different sections of this place. Now how do I mean? Now let's go back to our app. Now once I click here, right, and I click on YouTube, what the reward advert does that before it lands me to this page, it must first of all show me a reward video, right, before I can get to this point, right? So now let's go and set it. Once I click on YouTube here, I click on this plus here, click on it, then you'll be seeing, if you watch here, you will see require watch video to access. So you click on yes, right? So let me click on yes for the YouTube. All right guys, now I've clicked on yes. Now let's go to our app, let's remove it and then come back again. Let's see if what we have set is good to go, right? So yes, beautiful. And now this is how it looks like, right? So once you click on here, let's click on YouTube again and let's see if the reward advert will show. Are you seeing it? To access this content, it's necessary to watch a video, and there's nobody that will get into this, that will get into YouTube without clicking on OK. Once you click on OK, you will see the reward advert will show, right? Now let's watch it while it shows, so that let's see how it looks like. Okay, I'm taking this pains to explain this to you so that you guys will understand how it really works. Now can you see? This is the reward advert.
Are you upset when you can't access your favorite apps?
Guys, in your very
Don't worry.
The reward advert
VPN selects the server address to connect to the network with one click. Unblock any websites and apps. Quickly search for VPN download experience.
Alright guys, so that is how it works, guys. I'm trying to click no thanks. Alright guys, the intersection is supposed to be showing by now, and the banner. I think my network is what is actually slowing it down. But as soon as I click on, okay, let me go out of the app and come back again, so that it will be able to show. I think this video have taken a longer time, but guys, I think it's worth it. If you can get value from something and it takes you longer time, guys, I think it worth it. The intersection is supposed to be showing, and the banner is supposed to be showing. Well, I think my network here is kind of slow. If you can even see, the YouTube is taking longer time to show. It will still show. It will certainly show, guys. It will show. But meanwhile, while we wait for it to load up, as you guys can see, the what's it called, the reward advert actually showed. It means other adverts are actually loading up to be able to show, guys. So guys, this is how to create a startup app in your very before eyes, right? I've created this app for you guys, so you can as well customize it. Now there's something I want to show you guys, let's go to design, right guys? Design. Let's go to menu icon. Is it menu icon or menu type? Let's, okay guys, it's menu type, guys. Very important. Now, to make your app look so beautiful, guys, I normally use this particular menu here. It makes the app look so wonderful. Now let's click on it, right? And then the next step is to click on this last one, guys. Click on this last one. If you click on this last one, it will make the app look so beautiful. But to make the app look so beautiful, guys, you have to make this YouTube longer. For instance, YouTube videos, Facebook profile of Facebook app, so that it will look more longer, so that it will look so beautiful like this. Now let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. If you go to this, there's an app called Blinkers, right? If you go to Blinkers, as you can see, this app was created with what's it called, with app creators. Now can you see, okay, this advert showing, guys. All right, now this app was created with app creators 24. Can you see how beautiful it looks like? This is how beautiful it looks like. There are different options you can as well choose from, and then you click and all that, right? So now, as you can see, the app is well built, well customized. So guys, this is how to create an Admob app, a startup app rather, guys, sorry. But you can as well use it for Admob too. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, guys, kindly subscribe to my channel. If you know I've given you value, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification icon, and click on the like button, and then just tell me you've gotten value from this video. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.